What is a credit card? A credit card is a type of payment card that allows you to borrow money from an issuing financial institution, such as a bank, to make purchases or withdraw cash. When you're approved for a credit card, you're essentially taking out a loan that you're expected to repay at a later time, often with interest. Credit cards typically have set credit limits, which is the maximum amount of money you're allowed to borrow at any given time. You can use your credit card to make purchases up to that limit. In addition to the amount of money you borrow, credit cards often come with various fees and interest rates that you'll need to be aware of. On the other hand, many credit cards also offer reward programs or other benefits for using the card to make purchases. Overall, credit cards can be a useful instrument in managing your finances and making purchases, but it's important to use them responsibly and make due payments on time to avoid accruing debt and damaging your credit score. As a general rule, it's best to avoid maintaining a credit utilization rate above 30% of your credit limit each billing cycle.